Welcome back to Wes Explains Best. Today we're doing a Khan Academy tutorial on quadrilateral types. This is part of our series on quadrilaterals, identifying rhombuses, rectangles, and squares. Oh my! Let's go ahead and get into this one. All rhombuses have all sides that are equal in length. Which of these quadrilaterals are rhombuses? Well, this is true. Rhombus is a type of parallelogram, meaning opposite sides are congruent, but it's a specific type of parallelogram where the opposites, all the sides are congruent. So you're looking at probably the third option and you're saying, hey, that looks like a square. Well, a square is a specific type of rhombus. So if we have like a chain of command here, we have parallelogram. Well, actually before parallelogram, we have quadrilateral. So four-sided shape, quadrilateral. There we go. A parallelogram is a specific type of quadrilateral where opposite sides are congruent and opposite sides are parallel. Then we have a rhombus where it's a parallelogram where all sides are congruent. And then we have a square where all sides congruent and all angles congruent. So just so you can see, it's like a family tree, and then we'd have like polygons at the top. Okay? So then we're going to check this answer. Oh, this one's not a rhombus because it doesn't have all sides congruent. Fairly simple there. What kinds of quadrilateral is the shape shown? The matching arrow labels indicate that two opposite sides are parallel. Okay, so we have a parallelogram here. Okay, anytime it's two opposite sides are congruent. We have a rhombus because it's a parallelogram where all sides are congruent. It's a rectangle because it's a parallelogram where all angles are congruent. And it's a square because it's a parallelogram where all angles and all sides are congruent. So just to clarify, this is opposite sides congruent and actually parallel. I'm going to put and parallel. We have rhombus where we have all sides congruent. We have rectangle, all angles congruent, which is all of these are different. All these are parallelograms, by the way. Okay, all these are types of parallelograms. And then we have all sides and angles congruent. Excuse my handwriting, sorry. So all of these are this shape. A square is all of these things. All right, next question. Which of these quadrilaterals are parallelograms? And it says all parallelograms have opposite sides that are equal in length and parallel. So we have, this is a parallelogram because we have opposite sides are parallel. This is not because it's a trapezoid, and this one's a kite, so it is also not. They can only be, you have to have two pairs of opposite sides that are parallel. Okay, remind me about the shapes. Oh, never mind. What kind of quadrilateral is the shape shown? So we have parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel. It's not a rhombus because the sides are not congruent. It's a rectangle because all angles are 90 degrees. And it's not a square because all sides aren't congruent. So we're going to check our answer. We got 100%. Hope you will get this sound too. Thank you for joining us today. And I look forward to seeing you next time.